In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change featured image in Twitter social posts in Hubspot. This is one of those small settings that can make a big difference, because when someone shares your page on Twitter, Twitter pulls a specific preview image from your site. In Hubspot, that preview image is typically controlled by your page metadata, specifically the Open Graph image tag. So the goal of this walkthrough is to show you exactly where to set the code and how to publish it so Twitter can see the change. To begin, you will go to the Hubspot area where your website pages are managed, look for content, and then select Website Pages. This is where you choose the specific page you want to edit. If you have multiple pages and campaigns, make sure you are working on the correct one, because each page can have its own featured image and preview behavior. Next, open the page that you want to update. In the Website Pages list, click into the page title, or open the page editor for the page that matches the social post you care about. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the right page, because the featured image you set will apply to that page's link when shared. After the page is open, you will move into the settings for that page. Find the section labeled Settings, and then look for Head HTML. This is the area where you can add or modify HTML tags that live in the head of the page. These tags are important because social networks read them when they generate link previews. So changing Head HTML is the key step for controlling Twitter's image. Once you are in Head HTML, you will add your OG MSTAG code. The Open Graph image tag is the standard that many platforms use for link previews. You will insert the correct OG image line in the Head HTML area. Make sure the image URL you use is the one you want to show as the preview. It should point to an image that is publicly accessible, so Twitter and other services can load it without restrictions. Einsteins encoded. As you add the code, it helps to ensure you place it in a clean, readable part of the Head HTML. You do not need to change anything else on that page. Your focus is only on adding the OG image decode, so the page has the right metadata for social sharing. If you already have other Open Graph tags on that page, you can add this new one alongside them, keeping the syntax consistent with the surrounding code. Now that the OG image decode is added, you will update and publish your changes. Look for the Update or Publish option in the editor, and click the button to make sure the page is live with the new metadata. This step matters because social networks and crawlers usually read the metadata from the published version of your page. If you only save a draft, the preview may still show the old image when people share the link. After you publish, you should give it a moment for everything to settle. In many cases, you may also want to recheck the Twitter preview by using Twitter's card or link preview tools, depending on what you have available. This confirmation ensures that Twitter fetched the updated OG image tag and is using the new featured image, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for changing the featured image in Twitter social posts for a Hubspot website page.